So now that we've got the basics down, we can get into some actual conversion problems. Okay, so first one, we're going to convert 9 yards into feet. Well, that's pretty straightforward because if we see from up here, 8 fluid ounces equals 1 cup. That was one that we had missed in the intro video. We can see here that we know that 12 inches equals 1 foot, but 3 feet equals 1 yard. So if we're trying to convert from yards to feet, we're going to use the fact that 3 feet equals 1 yard, right? So what we're going to do here is we're going to do what I said up top. We're going to start with what we're given, 9 yards, and you can write it as 9 yards over 1 if you wish, right? Because anything is really itself over 1 if you want to write it as a fraction. And now we're going to multiply this by our conversion factor, which is that 3 feet equals 1 yard, but we need the yard to cancel. So right now it's in the numerator, so we need to put the yard in the denominator. So it's going to be 1 yard in the denominator and 3 feet in the numerator. And now when we multiply, yard cancels, and we just have, again, the denominator is only ones, so it's 1 times 1, so we don't need to worry about that. So the numerator is 9 times 3, so it's 27. And what units left after yards cancel? Feet. So 27 feet. So that one's very straightforward. And the second one's very straightforward also, right? Convert 1.5 feet into inches. Well, again, what's the conversion between feet and inches? 12 inches equals 1 foot. So we'll again start with what we're given, 1.5 feet. And again, write it over 1. And you're going to multiply this by the conversion factor, which involves 12 inches and 1 foot. But we want feet to cancel, so we're going to put the foot on the bottom. So that's 1 foot on the bottom and 12 inches on the top. And now when we do this, what will happen is, sorry about that, what will happen is feet will cancel, and we'll have 1.5 times 12 in the numerator, and 12 times 1.5 is going to be 18 inches. So 1.5 feet is 18 inches. So pretty straightforward. They both involve just one single conversion factor.